Come test drive the 2020 Yukon. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, remote engine start, fog lights. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, child safety locks. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.